from Jamaica, and I use this fire rub for like 20 minutes. And in no time, this miracle fire rub work on my shoulder, right down to my hip,
Side.
come right down, and I'm up and about. I can move and I
Yes.
can move.
Same here with the hand.
Oh,
And the
oh,
push.
how long now you had that pain, Rosie?
Um, about a year.
A year you have that
Oh.
pain?
Yes,
And
1
you
year.
couldn't move your hand or nothing?
No, 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 no.
And after the first application, which was around half an hour or so, with the fire up, tell me what happened.
My body becomes started to become a little bit light, and my joints is not stiff no more. My joints started to become free.
Wow.
And you can move the hand,
Yes, I can.
move it and show them how you can move it now.
All right.
Ah, yeah. So, and you're happy that I recommend it to anybody who want to
Yes,
use.
I will. I will surely do. I will surely do.
All right,
I will
Rosie.
surely do.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, yeah?
Thank you.
All right, cool.
It's easy.